Chained method calls indentation style in Python. From reading PEP 8, I get it that you should put the closing parenthesis on the same line as the last argument in function calls. Probably, long expressions are best to avoid at all. But if it's undesirable, how would you go about multiple chained method calls? Should the closing parent be on a new line? What about no arguments methods? How to write them on multiple lines without referencing the intermediate return values? Update: there's a duplicate question of how to break a line of chained methods in Python. The accepted answer suggests a familiar from jQuery style of starting each new line with a dot. The author doesn't provide any reasons or authoritative references, so I'd like to get a confirmation on such style or an alternative.
This is a case where a line continuation character is preferred to open parentheses. The need for this style becomes more obvious as method names get longer, and as methods start taking arguments. PEP 8 is intended to be interpreted with a measure of common sense and an eye for both the practical and the beautiful. Happily violate any PEP 8 guideline that results in ugly or hard to read code. That being said, if you frequently find yourself at odds with PEP 8, it may be a sign that there are readability issues that transcend your choice of white space, smiley face.
I think the best is to use to force line joining, and to do this, it's not ideal, but I like that it stands out visually and makes it somewhat obvious what the chain of calls is. It allows end-of-line comments, which \newline does not.
Video to my channel. Isn't it lucky and subscribe it?